Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to score free items on Temu? Here's how you can do it without spending a penny. So let's get into it. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet, then open the Temu application. After that, make sure you have logged into your account. You can use Google or Facebook account to sign up. Then, after you have logged into your account, go to the on rewards or free gift section. You will find it under the home page or in the menu. On the use section you will find play and on option. As you can see here, you can earn free gifts and free credit. As you can see, you can get $5 items. You can claim this fast as well. You can redeem the credit, and you can also check daily rewards and spin to win games inside the app. As you can see here, I have the 6 coupons free which will end in 12 days or 12 hours. You can claim here all the free stuff as you can see. Then look for special promotion during sales events. Sometimes Temu gives free items for orders or sign up. After you have signed up, you will get the free item. Always check your messages center for exclusive coupons and free buy offers. In the message section you can get free coupons as you can see. And that's it. With a little patience and consistency, you can grab free items from Temu. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick app hacks.